Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to create or set up an Apple ID for your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Now usually during the setup process you should already be asked to sign into your Apple ID or create an Apple ID for your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. But if you want to change your Apple ID or create another Apple ID to sign into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, you can simply do that by going over to the settings of your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, and then at the top where we have the Apple account option over here, just tap on that. And basically to create an Apple ID for your device, you just want to click on the don't have an Apple account option at the top over here. From here you can just follow the on-screen instruction to create an account. But keep in mind that by creating an Apple ID using this method, your Apple account or Apple ID will automatically be signed into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. If you just want to create an Apple ID without necessarily signing the ID into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro, you can do that from the browser of your device. Just come over here and proceed to search for Apple ID. Once you're done typing, just click on the enter button over here. At the top of your search results, you should be able to see the My Apple ID option. Just tap on that as well. So from here, you just have to choose your region. And after selecting your region, you just have to tap on this drop down icon at the top over here, and then just click on the create your Apple account option. So from here, you can go ahead and create an Apple account or Apple ID without necessarily signing it into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. That being said, for most people, you just want to create an account and sign it into your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So what you want to do is to go over to the settings, click on the Apple account option over here, then just click on the don't have an account option. Now you'll be required to select the age. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and choose on the adult, that is 18 or older. And now you want to enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. So I'll go ahead and enter that. Once you're done, just click on the continue button at the bottom over here, and then proceed to enter your email or your Gmail account. Now next, you want to enter your password to your Apple ID and also verify the password as well. So I'll enter mine. Once you're done, you want to click on the continue button over here. And finally, you want to also proceed to enter your phone number. So click on the continue button once you're done, and the text message will be sent to your phone number. Go ahead and enter the verification code that is sent to your number, and then click on continue. Finally, once you're verified, you will have to accept all of the terms and conditions. So scroll down, read through everything, then click on agree at the bottom. And just like so, an Apple ID has been created and fully set up for your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. You might also be required to enter your passcode, so just go ahead and enter yours. So as you can see, our Apple ID has been created. You can also choose to verify your email by just clicking on verify email over here. Give it a couple of seconds and the code will be sent to your email account. You just have to enter it over here and you're good to go. So I have just verified mine. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.